Hey everyone, here's the Furrion Vision S camera. I got this from my Ember RV where it was already pre-wired to install this type. So I went ahead and just got it, make it easy. And I got the 5-inch screen because last time my last one was a little bigger and I found at night it was a little distracting having that big screen there. So I went with the 5-inch this time, which allows me 4 inputs. So if I decide to get side markers and get a 4th auxiliary camera somewhere, I can attach it all to this system. Even though the installation is pretty easy, I thought I would record it anyway just to show you how easy it is. Let's go look at it right now. So I'm here with my Ember, and it looks like what I'm going to do today is install the backup camera, the shark fin backup camera, on the Ember. It comes pre-wired, so this is supposed to take 15 minutes or less. We'll see how long it really takes, and let's hope all the wiring is set up right and this just works right out of the box. We'll find out. Let's get on it. Here it is on the top. It says 15 minutes to install. Here we go. All right, so my little project box here, we've got the Furrion camera that comes already in its own enclosure. So we're gonna have to remove it from there. We got the monitor that comes with the cigarette lighter adapter. Too bad it doesn't come with the USB adapter, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna have to figure out which mount to use. Probably gonna go with this one because something tells me after 1,400 miles of dirt roads, this one's gonna come off the windshield. I'd love to hear it. If you found the Furrion stick-on mount works really well on your window and doesn't ever pop off, let me know. I might try it out. It also comes with replacement screws for people like me who lose things like that. There we go. I already screwed this on, but I probably should take it off till we're done. All right, now let's go take off the cover. Well, we lost one screw. That's why they give us extras. And there we go. Comes right off. And here's the plug. This might actually be quick. All right, so we're just gonna connect this right here. Make sure it snaps, I think, right? There we go, it snaps. Now we'll feed this back in to the shark fin here. Hopefully it all fits. Get all that in there. All right, looks like we got it. All right, well, I've got the monitor now. Let's plug it in and see how it works. No signal. Oh, because I don't have the lights on. No signal because I don't have the lights on, all right? Here, I'll have Ozzy hold it here. Thank you very much, Ozzy. Let's turn the lights on. All right. We got nothing. Wait, there we go. It works. All right, it works. There we go. Well, that's it. Hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. And if I have any problems with that camera, I'll make another short video talking about the problems I had with it. See you, everybody.
Woo.